These are the steps to download a video or videos you previously uploaded on your YouTube channel into a PC. First, launch your web browser, and here I'll be using Google Chrome for this. Visit the website studio.youtube.com and log in with the Gmail address that is associated to that YouTube channel. Alright, studio.youtube.com. You can see the web link here, studio.youtube.com. Once it opens fully, you will be on your dashboard. Click on Content. On this new page, you will see some videos you uploaded on your channel. Alright, so scroll until you get to the video you want to download into your PC. For example, let's say I want to download this. So once you take your cursor to that particular video, you will see some icons here, and this one is options icon, these three dots. So click on that. On clicking on that, you will see other options. Click on download. So with this, the video will be downloaded into your PC within a short time, but that depends on the length of that particular video. You can see the progress here. And this video has been downloaded into my PC. If you're a Windows 11 user or Windows PC user, you will find it inside the downloads folder. So let's check. I'll click on File Explorer, then I'll click on Downloads. And here is the video. So I can double click on it to play it or use it to do whatever thing I want to use it for. Everything was made simple. So if you consider this helpful, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment. See you some other time.